In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly start and join Zoom calls right inside Slack. This saves you time and keeps all your team communication in one place. Open Slack on your desktop app or browser and sign in with your email, Google or Apple account. Once inside, select the workspace where you want Zoom connected. Now head to the Slack app marketplace and search for Zoom. Click Open in Slack, follow the prompts and approve the permissions. Once done, you'll see the Zoom app appear under your apps section in Slack. Now to start a call, just type /Zoom in any channel or DM. A meeting link will instantly appear and anyone in the conversation can join with one click. The first time you do this, Slack may ask you to authorize Zoom. Just approve it once and you're set. And that's it. You can now start and join Zoom calls directly from Slack without leaving your workspace.